Moving along, we're going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil to our dish along with the chopped vegetables. We're going to saute those vegetables for about a minute or two just to get a little heat on them and to get them a little bit tender and translucent. Now we're going to add that chicken. This is not a necessary step. You can just cook the vegetables by themselves and then add the chicken to the quesadilla, but this kept it simple because remember, we're in and out the kitchen in 10 minutes. And while we're preparing this, on the side, we're going to have a steamed corn, which comes in a bag, and also a Uncle Ben's long grain rice. So we're going to be putting those things in the microwave while we're also doing this. So we're going to add some dollops of Alfredo sauce. You can choose whatever brand that you like best, along with a little bit of shredded cheese. And then we're going to add that chicken mixture. We're going to put just a little bit of black pepper on there. I'm always very cautious with the salt on something that already has pre-seasoning on it and something that has cheese, because cheese tends to be pretty salty. So feel free to add the seasonings of your choice. You're going to cook each side of this quesadilla for about 2 minutes, and then you flip. And now we're going to move on to our vegetarian flavor. So with the vegetarian one, we're going to do basically the same procedure, except we're adding those vegetables to the tortilla with cheese. And then we're going to add some black beans. Now you can add whatever beans that you like, pinto beans or whatever beans you like. You can also smash them and add them to the tortilla. This is one of those recipes that would be great for a meatless Monday. We're going to follow that same procedure and cook this quesadilla on both sides for about 2 minutes. So the last part of this is a side sauce. Now you can just eat this with ranch or salsa or whatever you like, but I always eat mine with ranch. Recently, my son came up with this great idea to add some Taco Bell mild sauce to it, and that's what I'm doing here. This together is delicious. Try it and let me know if you like it. All right, everyone, this is our meal. It is so delicious. It's so quick and simple. Everything is either microwavable or cooks up in really short time. So enjoy your meal. Thank you for joining me again. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you next time.